Yeah, make sure you get like all like.
Boy, do you want to do it?
Man, what's up, everybody, man? Y'all know what time it is, right? So right now I'm about to fool the wifey because we finna go clean the whip out. You know what I'm saying? We just got a 2019 Equinox, man. It's nice, fully loaded, everything. I love it. You feel me? Anyways, right? So we about to go clean the car out. And then I seen that I did the finessing her while we was doing the laundry, and it did so well that I figured like, hey, why can't I finesse my wife by herself? And then while I'm doing it, just getting on her nerves too. Like, yeah, go ahead, clean that spot. Yeah, get right there. You didn't clean that spot right. This, that, and the third. Just to see how she gonna react. Like she gonna get irritated, annoyed, or whatever the case is. You feel me? So, yeah, I haven't decided how I'm gonna do it yet, but I do know one thing, that it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be lit. You know what I'm saying? It's 2019, right, gang? Right. So, like I said, y'all, let's hop right into it. You feel me? And yeah, I hope this works. I want to see her reaction. I know she's gonna be mad. Let's get it. What's up, FNS gang? What's happening? I know y'all ain't seen the intro like that in a minute, right? Y'all was waiting on that, huh? Anyways, y'all, we promised y'all that we was gonna get y'all a car tour, so that's what we finna do. And we love this car. We enjoying this car, man. This car is like you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just so smooth. The ride smooth. I mean, y'all. I mean, hey,
Everything is good about the car except for
get your Equinox, man.
except for one thing.
And yeah, but yeah, we're gonna get to that. And yeah, you guys, so today we finna give y'all a video of our new 2019 Equinox. We're gonna give y'all a whole little, you know what I'm saying, tour. But we also about to clean it out though, you guys. Cause she been chunky as hell. See that dimple right there? That mean, you know, she a little slow. So anyway. That boy a nice little clean up, man, and then we're gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Maybe even run it through the washer, we don't know yet, but we finna vacuum it out and do all that type of good old stuff. So I don't know if y'all want us to watch us do that or what, but let's get to it, you feel me? Right?
Right.
Oof.
Shut your butt up.
God damn. Alright, y'all.
Nerves.
Let's get it, gang. Look at Miss Hollywood right now. She's finna put the money in there. Look how much it costs though, God. Look how much. $175. Come on, y'all. Everybody from the city know.
You know what? It's about the same.
No, it's about the same. Okay. Let's see her do her stuff. Yeah, get all down up in there. Bruh. That's what I'm talking about. What happened? Make sure you get all down up in there. Make sure you get like everything. That's another one? Alright, y'all, I'm finding some quarters and shit. Yeah, make sure you get like all, like, yeah. Make sure you get all that shit. Come on, so you can do the back part. Hold on, wait. Let me move the seat up for you. Now get all back up in there and all that shit too. Like, you see all that down up in there?
Yeah, you missing all this though. Look. Look at all this stuff you missing right here.
Boy, do you want to do it?
Y'all want to do what? I might as well, goddammit. You taking all day. It's only gonna last for like 2 minutes. Right here, I'm about to hand it to you. Go to the other side. Run. Run. Did you lift your seat up?
Hurry, the beetles are coming.
No, it's not. It's a fly. Y'all, I didn't really need that much cleaning, you know what I'm saying? We just wanted to wait before we wanted to make sure it was super clean before we go. Show you guys.
Back to the front, hurry up.
Alright. Don't try to rush me. I do the rushing. Now hurry up. And clean that and get all in the street part and the middle part too. Come on, hurry up. I ain't never seen nobody go.
Boy.
Girl, I thought you was faster than that. I can't believe you going that dang on slow. Come on, you gotta get down to here too. Oh, they're gonna beat him for real. Here, here. You never took your mat out? He went out. Come on. Look, y'all. This is how she act with a beetle. Come on, hurry up. But they come out. I didn't know you put yours way over here. Okay. Golly, get the rest of the little stuff. Okay, guys. This is how you finesse and doing nothing and just like and making her do the whole thing, you know what I'm saying? That's just how you finesse. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all guys out. Man, we should get a car wash. Getting a car wash. So we gonna take little baby through the car wash. We ain't gonna play with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the push to start. Y'all see this shit. Crispy clean. Batmobile. You know what I'm saying? A little dusty soap. Yeah, y'all ready?
Here, now what? Oh, I hate these things.
It say print receipt?
No, it said pull forward when I'm ready.
Oh, pull forward.
Am I in the line though?
Mm-hmm, go.
Just go?
Yeah, just make sure you get over that hump right there.
What hump?
This little hump.
What hump?
You gotta get inside that hump. It'll tell you, just go. Keep driving until it tell you to stop. It'll say stop.
So go? Keep going?
Keep going.
Keep going? Oh, I hate these things.
Y'all, she acts so slow. Okay, stop.
Put it in neutral or just
put it in park?
In park?
Yeah.
Does it say put it in park?
Put it in neutral.
Put it in neutral?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Ooh, I feel like the car getting pushed back. Ah! I'm scared.
Guys. We took you guys to the car wash. Who does that? Who does that? Ah!
Wait. What it's not touching my window.
Oh my God, who does this, guys? We'll take you guys to the goddamn car wash. Ah! Car a little dusty, so try to get some stuff off. Crispy, guys. The car is going to be crispy. Okay, guys, we'll be right back. In the whole car by yourself.
I knew you did that on purpose. That's not funny. You didn't help at
Yo, I
all.
finessed her to clean the whole car by herself.
That's not funny. Like, why would you do that? I knew you were doing that on purpose.
Come on, we gotta get him a car tour. So look, y'all. So look, y'all. Look, we got the monitor TV, all that little good stuff. Wi-Fi in the car. Push to start. You know what I'm saying?
Obviously.
We got all this little
right here. If
gadgets.
you click it, it'll tell you the speed and stuff. And then if you look down here, it has the
yeah.
lighter port, and then it has the old aux cord plus a USB cord, so you can plug in your new phones and stuff.
And look how nice she got the car, guys.
Oh,
look,
so crispy.
Look how. Oh, I'm about to get him an outside tour real fast. Oh, show him the best part of the car. She's about to show you guys the best part of the car, guys. But I'm about to show you guys around the car really fast. Look. Check him out. Look, guys. Good, look. Oh, it's nice, huh? Show him, boo. Show him.
I don't think that.
Show him. They ain't ready for it.
I don't think that they're ready. Okay,
Show him. Oh, that's cool, right?
That's fancy. I didn't even have to touch it, right?
That's fancy.
Right?
So put your little groceries up.
I put my little stuff up like yeah.
Ooh.
Right? And then when I do that, look at this. Oh! And back up.
Damn, y'all.
And it goes down by itself.
Damn, y'all. Now she back in the whip.
Oh, and you gotta show them this.
Oh shit, show them the
Like,
oh yeah. I gotta see this though. For real.
ooh,
Look at the gas nozzle, y'all.
No cap, no nothing. Literally no cap.
Look, y'all, and then like when you put if you've been in LA, y'all know how to
Put the
gas
nozzle.
thing is. Yeah, it just sits on there, rest on there, man. Put it on automatic and you just chill.
And let it go.
Chill. Is the door? Can the door unlock and lock? No, because you got the key in
No,
there.
'cause I got the
So yeah, you don't need the
hold
key
on.
though for none of that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So she
so
gonna cut it off.
keyless entry.
So she gonna.
So you do that, and then you just, as
That's-
long as you're standing by it, I think it's like 15 feet or something, you can just unlock it.
Damn, there you go. Lock, unlock.
And the cool thing about it is there's no locks.
Oh yeah, there's no locks
It's
neither
all inside.
on the door either, guys.
And then the seats in the back seat.
Ooh,
Look
you
at that bus
can lock
trying to
it
get in
from.
my car.
You can lock it from the back.
Yeah, you can unlock it
Lock
from
it
the
from
back.
anywhere. Look how
And
much
then the
comfortable
seats
space it is.
In the back,
there,
they're
guys.
pilot seats, and they go all the way down.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. It became a whole bed.
Hey, yeah,
Did you see that?
baby.
So I could lay in here and we could sleep in here and do stuff in here.
Yeah, guys. So that's about wrapping it up. You know what I'm saying, for the 2019 equinox. You know, and yeah. So we about to vibe out, man, and go about our day. And yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Y'all know what time it is, man. We're about to do post notifications next, so stay tuned for it. You know what I mean? Tell a friend, man. You know what time it is. 2019, all bangers.
Bye.
But yeah, you guys, so that's how you finesse the wifey into doing everything. You know, cheer them on, talk your little make them get irritated. Like, what? I'm like, yeah, that's how you supposed to do it. You missing that part. You missing. No, don't do that, guys. That might make them be like, I'm not doing nothing. You do it, God. Anyways, y'all know why y'all came here. So let me get y'all what y'all came for. You feel me? So today's post notification goes to Maya P. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for being consistent, for always commenting and telling.
All I have is my balls and my word. I don't break them for no one. You understand?
Something like that. You feel me? But yeah. Leave down in the comments, man, if you ever tried that. If you want to try that, do that, and then let me know how it went. You feel me? So let's get it, gang. All 2019 bangers at the bangers. Okay. Hey, wait. Where you going? If you like this video, You gonna love the next one. Let's get it, gang. On 2019. Gang, gang, gang.